All right, you guys, here we go. On this air fryer series tonight, we're doing pork chops. I have my seasoning blend mixed up. In it, I've got, of course, your standard salt and pepper. So, I mean, most of the time you're going to use that on about any main dish you cook. All right. I've got my spice blend for just a tad bit of kick. Ground mustard, smoked paprika, chili powder. Now, to intensify the flavor just a bit, I've got some onion powder and some garlic powder. Next, to take it up one last notch, just to add a little bit of richness, I have thrown in a little bit of brown sugar. Now, got these seasoned up. I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. Got my air fryer trays lined with full because it is way easier on cleanup. So I'm gonna put these chops on these trays. I'm going to put my air fryer on 375 degrees, and we're going to start out at 15 minutes. Now, of course, the thinner the chop, the less time you're going to cook. The thicker, the more. Actually, I'm probably going to start out with 10 minutes on these and check them, and we'll go up another 5 if we need to. So I'm gonna take these over to the air fryer and we're gonna get started. All right, so the 10-minute timer just went off. They are not done. So I think I'm going to take them on to another 7 minutes at 385. Here we go. All right, you guys, here we go. Pork chops in the air fryer. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll catch you later.